Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Today I am going to show you how to easily screen mirror your iPhone to your MacBook, just like I'm doing right now. As you can see, it is working flawlessly. But before that, here's what we will cover. Overview, required equipment, step-by-step instructions, setting up QuickTime, accessing your iPhone screen, additional features. So if you're ready to learn this simple process, let us get started. Section 1. Overview. You might be curious if it is really possible to mirror your iPhone screen onto your MacBook. The answer is yes, it is. There are different ways to do this, including wirelessly, which is convenient. However, for this tutorial, I'll be focusing on the easiest method, which involves using a charging cable. This way, you can quickly and reliably connect your iPhone to your MacBook without any fuss. Section 2. Required equipment. I am currently using my iPhone, which comes with a USB-C connector for charging and data transfer. But if you're using an older iPhone model that uses a lightning cable instead, there's no need to worry. The process will still work exactly the same way, so you won't run into any issues while following along. Section 3. Step-by-step instructions. Let us get started. First, plug your iPhone into your MacBook. If it is your first time connecting your iPhone to this Mac, you will see a pop-up asking if you want to allow the accessory to connect. Just tap Allow. You will also get a message on your iPhone asking if you trust this computer. Simply tap Trust and enter your passcode. If your iPhone has been connected to your MacBook before, these prompts might not appear. Once you are all set, press Command plus Space on your keyboard and type QuickTime. Then hit Enter to launch the QuickTime application. Section 4. Setting up QuickTime. After QuickTime Player is open, use 2 fingers on your trackpad to bring up the Options menu. From the list, use New Movie Recording. This will get us started with mirroring the iPhone screen. If a pop-up shows up asking if you want to use your iPhone as a webcam, simply select Remind Me Later to dismiss it. At this point, you might see your webcam feed pop up by default, but in my case, it is currently blocked, so you won't see anything on the screen just yet. Do not worry. We will switch to the iPhone screen next. Section 5. Accessing your iPhone screen. Now take a look right next to the record button in the QuickTime window. You will notice a small arrow pointing down. Click on that to open a drop-down menu. From there, you should see your iPhone listed under the Cameras section. Go ahead and select it. And just like that, you will see my iPhone screen mirrored onto the MacBook. If I move around on my phone, you will notice the changes happening instantly in real time on the MacBook screen as well. This makes it super easy to view and share what is happening on your iPhone. Section 6. Additional features. And here's a really cool feature that you can take advantage of. Not only can QuickTime mirror your iPhone screen onto your MacBook, but it also allows you to record your iPhone screen activity with just a single click. This is super helpful if you want to capture gameplay, record a tutorial, or save a video call for later viewing. Simply hit the record button and it will start capturing everything happening on your iPhone screen straight to your MacBook. What is even better is that if you turn your iPhone sideways into landscape mode, you will notice that the mirror displayed on your MacBook automatically adjusts to match the new orientation. This makes it perfect for recording or viewing content that looks better in widescreen, like games, movies, or when scrolling through wide format photos. It is really seamless and smooth, giving you the flexibility to use your iPhone however you like while still maintaining that mirrored view on your MacBook. But that's not all. QuickTime also handles audio mirroring. So if I play a video or music on my iPhone right now, you will actually hear the sound coming out of the MacBook speakers. This means that whatever you are doing on your phone, whether it is watching a video, playing a song, or even demonstrating an app with audio feedback, will have its sound projected directly to your MacBook. It is a great way to share media or presentations with others without needing extra equipment or setups. This feature makes it super easy to create professional quality recordings or share content seamlessly. And that is how you screen mirror your iPhone to your MacBook. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Leave any questions or comments down below. Thank you so much for watching and happy mirroring. Bye for now.